In this video, we'll be showing you exactly how to assign multiple users to a task in Teamwork.com. Whether you're new to Teamwork or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can start managing tasks with your team more effectively. First things first, Teamwork makes collaboration easier, and knowing how to assign multiple users to a single task can be a game changer when you're working with a larger team. This will ensure everyone stays on the same page and is aware of their responsibilities. Here's how you can assign multiple users to a task in Teamwork. 1. Open your task. Start by navigating to the project where you want to assign the task. Click on the task to open its details. 2. Add users. Inside the task details window, you'll see the assignees section. This is where you assign users to the task. But to assign multiple people, simply click on the assignee field and you'll be able to type in the names of the people you want to add. If you don't see the users you need, you can search for them by name. 3. Select multiple users. As you start typing each name, Teamwork will suggest team members who are part of your project. You can click on each suggestion to add them to the task. Just keep adding until everyone who needs to be involved is assigned. 4. Save the task. After selecting the users, be sure to save your changes. Now each of those users will be notified about the task, and you can move forward with collaboration. The beauty of assigning multiple users to a task is that each person will have visibility into what's expected from them. They'll also receive notifications about updates, which ensures no one misses a deadline or important detail. Here's a pro tip. If you're managing a lot of tasks and users, Teamwork allows you to customize your notifications. This can help you stay on top of things without feeling overwhelmed. You can choose whether you want to get an email, in-app notification, or even a mobile push notification whenever there's a change to the task you're working on. By using Teamwork's features like task assignees, you can streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration across your team. It's a great way to improve efficiency, especially when multiple team members are responsible for different parts of the same task. Teamwork.com isn't just about assigning tasks though, it's about providing an all-in-one solution to help you manage everything from tasks and deadlines to team communications and file sharing. And here's the best part. You can start using Teamwork for free right now by clicking the link in the description below. Not only do you get access to the software, but you'll also receive an exclusive bonus just for checking it out. Stick around until the end of this video because I'm going to tell you how you can take advantage of an extended free trial that will let you dive deeper into all the features of Teamwork without any restrictions. So if you're looking to improve task management, enhance your team's productivity, and make sure everyone knows exactly what they need to do, don't forget to hit that link below for your extended free trial. Thanks for watching. And remember, getting your team aligned and organized starts with the right tools. Teamwork makes it easy to keep your tasks on track. So give it a try today and start getting more done with less effort.